Yo, 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 it's your boy Ball Beast 37. Hey, it's been a little minute, but gotta get back on the grind right before the holidays. As you can see, we went through a bad flood around September-ish. So, yeah, it's been a pretty bad year for, uh, you know, just making videos for me, but, we'll get back, we'll bounce back. So, as you see, I lost my Honda during Hurricane Helena, and it's been pretty rough. But overall, we've been blessed. Um, we've been getting help from the church and stuff like that, and with donations and just helping us out get back on our feet. But we'll bounce back. See, the Honda right here is pretty much gone. I had it for a while, but it had all kind of water from the flood that got inside of it, messed all the components up in it. The ECU, I believe it was, computer system all got flooded, so, and it got all in the trunk and all kind of stuff. So I didn't feel like even just restoring it at this point. It was just so much nasty water, but yeah, it's been rough. Like, got all this is probably the best it's looked in a while, like the neighborhood. So see, the church fence is all tore up over there. It's all tore up. So, but yeah, but we'll bounce back, and I'm gonna get something else. Maybe a Nissan Altima or something. I don't know. Maybe another Honda 4-door. But anyways, back on what I'm trying to show y'all. So today, I'm gonna try to go ahead and do a new front end splinter for my Dodge Daytona. It's gonna be a carbon fiber one. I'm gonna put it on. Thought I was done with the front end, but about to add a little touch to it. So, anyways, here we go right here. I did get the hood rewrapped. Looks way nicer, way cleaner. Still pretty much the same. I went ahead and threw my light bars back on. The light snorkels. I had them off for a little bit, but I put them back on. It's decently clean. You know what I mean? It's like my daily right now. So I found something else, but it's been good to me so far. But eventually, I want to try to get this wrapped, the roof. So I'm gonna do that gloss black as well. When it gets a little bit more warmer than this, it's probably the warmest it's been in a while. So yeah, we'll get it situated though. It's pretty much still the same. I changed that out back to black. So it was red, but I went ahead and put it back to black as well. Other than that, I'm gonna show you the front end lip splitter. So let's get to it. Got this from eBay. That's the side of it. This thing pretty nice, man. Like, check this out. That's just the corner of it. I like it. Look like real carbon fiber though. It's nice. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing on. First off, I'm gonna put some tape so I can hold the edges to the car so I don't have to fight with it. have it stick on while we drill it. Cause we gotta drill all through here to make it stay on the car. So then it's just 3M tape right here. Throw it on it. And these screws right here comes with it, so I'll be using these screws right here. Using handy dandy drill. Black & Decker, you already know what it is. Let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna do is gonna go ahead and lift the car up. I'm gonna get this car lifted so it'll be more easier to get under. So I'm gonna go ahead and start lifting it up. So let's hit it up. That's the finished product. Carbon fiber. Light chill. Look at that thing gleaming. That's good. So y'all give me a like, subscribe, share, comment what y'all think about it. It's more aggressive. I mean, look at it, look good.